on then, girls. They're a bit bent. But here, Maggie, this way. Go on then, you have to get that ball. Wow. You've got to get it to the end, look where the hole is.
I can't get it.
I bet you can. Go on, you do it. I bet you can. Wow, that's fantastic.
Here.
Go around the planet.
Here.
Well done, Charlotte. Into that hole at the end, look. Wow. Yay! Hooray! Well done.
I want to do the next.
Do the next one then. Yay! You did it! Hooray! That is so good. This whole place is so beautiful.
You happy? What if we're all bad guys then? No, you have to take them down. No, yeah, but if you bad guy, we'll take you
Maggie! Maggie! Welcome back, and it's almost dinner time. We've had a really fun afternoon. We've been playing golf and all sorts. Hopefully the kids will be absolutely shattered for bedtime tonight. Yeah? You want to brush your teeth again? Okay. Kids have been playing loads. They've basically been outside all day, but it's been absolutely gorgeous. The weather is so lovely, especially compared to Norfolk a few days ago in the wind and the rain. Today's been absolutely fantastic. It's just an absolutely massive difference that we've got. I've just realised I haven't put a timer on for the rice. Put a timer on. Let's have a look. Clock. I reckon it's probably been 5 minutes already. So at least I know that's not going to work. I've just guessed. Just done a little guess. So yeah, just making some dinner. We're having a chili con carne with rice, and I'm going to do some nachos in the oven as well. So we're going to put some nachos in. These are Aldi nachos. It's what's left over from it's what Maggie's just having so much fun brushing her teeth right now. So it's just what we had left over from when we had fajitas last night. So we've got our nachos in. Hang on, Pudding. Yeah, you want to wash your face? Yeah. There's a flannel. Wash your face. Maggie's just decided she needs to have an entire full wash before she eats her dinner. So, washing face, brushing teeth. But you can't brush your teeth too many times, right? Oh. Right, so we want some cheese. Right, 1 minute, Maggie, I'm going to shut you in. Just a minute. So, I'm just going to go get the sauces too, because we need the sauces. So we've got sour cream and we've got hot salsa. So we're just going to put a few blobs of those in. That's what I've got. So I'm going to grate some cheese onto it now. To layer it up again. And we're going to put some more of this one. Yeah.
Mummy, in a towel.
You want a towel?
In a towel.
Okay. Just get the oven on. Right. Leave that just a few seconds to heat, and then I will put this in.
What have you been doing, Laura?
So we've just had dinner, and me and the girls have just come for a quick walk, and we found this lovely pond actually on the Blaithwaite Estate, and it is so peaceful here. I think we're going to go to the park and maybe go see the goats and the animals and just have a nice little play just before bedtime to make them nice and tired. And it's our last day today, so tomorrow we'll be heading home. And I'm not really looking forward to it. I want to stay for longer, but we've got things that we need to get back for, so. Hello, Mr. Goat. Hello. Hello. Oh wow, that's so cool. Good idea. I thought you was going to drink the Smarties then. Only one game. I mean, they do take a while though, don't they?